Hello and welcome to India Business Insight. To all our returning viewers, great to have you here again. And if you are new, a warm welcome to you. In this video, we'll be breaking down India's economic performance for March 2025, covering key indicators like GDP, IIP, CPI, and trade trends. So stay tuned for a quick and insightful update. India's export and import. India's trade performance in March 2025 demonstrates significant trends in exports, imports, and trade balance. This analysis is based on data released by government agencies, including the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Reserve Bank of India, and credible economic platforms. Exports overview. India's merchandise exports for March 2025 are projected to be approximately USD 37 billion, showing resilience despite global economic uncertainties. According to Ministry of Commerce and Industry, exports have been driven by strong performances in sectors such as electronics, textiles, pharmaceuticals, and engineering goods. The ministry's latest report, released on March 15, 2025, indicates cumulative exports for the fiscal year April 2024 to February 2025 at USD 750.53 billion, reflecting a growth of 6.24% compared to the same period last year, Ministry of Commerce. Additionally, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) published its monthly economic outlook on March 20, 2025, highlighting that exports grew at a rate of 10.4% in Q3 financial year 2024 to 2025. Key export destinations include the United States, UAE, and European Union countries. Imports overview. India's total imports for March 2025 are estimated at around USD 59 billion, driven by increased demand for crude oil, gold, electronic goods, and machinery. The Ministry of Commerce report dated March 15, 2025 highlights that imports have surged due to rising global prices and domestic consumption needs. For February 2025 alone, imports were recorded at USD 51.31 billion, indicating a steady upward trend heading into March. Ministry of Commerce. Trade balance. India's trade deficit for March 2025 is expected to widen further due to higher imports compared to exports. In February 2025, the trade deficit stood at USD 14.05 billion, narrowing from January deficit of USD 18.7 billion. However, with rising import figures in March, the deficit may exceed USD 21 billion. GDP. For financial year 2024 to 2025, ending March 2025, India's real GDP growth is projected at 6.5% as per the National Statistical Office (NSO) second advance estimates released on March 20, 2025. This figure represents a slowdown compared to the 9.2% growth rate recorded in financial year 2023 to 2024, attributed to challenges such as higher energy prices and restrictive monetary policies by the Reserve Bank of India. Despite these hurdles, India remains resilient with stable domestic demand and improving inflation conditions. Sectoral contributions. Key contributors to GDP growth include agriculture, expected to grow by 3.8%, showing recovery from previous years. Manufacturing, slowing down with a growth rate of 5.3% compared to 9.9% last year. Trade and hotels, moderate growth at 5.8%, reflecting slower recovery post-pandemic. Financial services and real estate, growth at 7.3%, slightly below previous levels. Global economic position. India's rapid economic expansion has outpaced major economies like the US 66% growth and China 76% over the last decade. This extraordinary performance highlights India's structural reforms and proactive economic policies. Additionally, S&P Global Ratings projects continued GDP growth of 6.5% for financial year 2025 to 2026, supported by tax cuts, higher government capital expenditure, and easing inflation. Despite its achievement, India faces external pressures such as rising US tariffs and global trade disruptions. These factors could impact export-driven sectors while showing overall growth in emerging markets across Asia. Foreign exchange rates. As of 25 March 2025, the foreign exchange rate between the US dollar and the Indian rupee has shown notable fluctuation in recent weeks. The current exchange rate is approximately 86.28 per USD dollar, reflecting a slight decrease of 0.304% from the previous day. Recent trends. Over the past week, the exchange rate has fluctuated significantly with a high of rupees 87.18 on March 13, 2025 and a low of 85.52 on March 24, 2025. This indicates a relatively stable trend following a period of volatility earlier in March when the rupee hit an all-time low of rupees 88.10% against the dollar. The recent strengthening of the rupee can be attributed to a decline in global crude oil prices, which is crucial as India imports over 90% of its fuel needs. The performance of the Indian rupee is closely tied to various factors, including domestic economic conditions and global market dynamics. The Reserve Bank of India has implemented measures to support the rupee amid high inflation and interest rates. As of March 20, 2025, the RBI's reference rate for USD to INR was reported to 86.30, indicating ongoing efforts to stabilize the currency. RBI reference rate. Analysts predict that the USD INR exchange rate may trade around 87 by the end of Q1 2025, with expectations for it to reach 87.19 within the next year. The rupee's trajectory will likely be influenced by factors such as international oil prices, domestic inflation rates, and monetary policy adjustment by the RBI. IIP. As of March 25, 2025, India's Index of Industrial Production (IIP) has shown a positive trend reflecting robust growth in the industrial sector. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation (MoSPI) released the quick estimates for January 2025 on March 12, 2024, indicating that the IIP grew by 5.0% year-on-year, a significant increase from the 3.2% growth recorded in December 2024. Key highlights of IIP growth. The IIP index for January 2025 stands at 161.3, up from 153.6 in January 2024, showcasing a solid recovery in industrial output. This growth is attributed primarily to stronger performances in several sectors including manufacturing, grew by 5.5%, contributing significantly to overall industrial growth. Mining increased by 4.4%, reflecting improved extraction activities. Electricity registered a growth of 2.4%, indicating stable energy production levels. Sectoral contributions. The manufacturing sector remains the backbone of industrial production, accounting for approximately 78% of total output. Within manufacturing, key contributors to growth include basic metals, growth of 6.3%, coke and refined petroleum products increased by 8.5%. Electrical equipment, notable growth of 21.7%, highlighting advancements in technology and production capabilities. Additionally, sectors such as consumer durables and infrastructure construction goods have also shown promising growth rates of 7.2% and 7.0% respectively. CPI, India's Consumer Price Index data for February 2025 was released on March 12, 2025 by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. The CPI reflects a year-on-year inflation rate of 3.61%, marking a decline from 4.31% in January 2025. This is the lowest inflation rate recorded since July 2024, showcasing improved price stability across key categories. Key highlights. Overall CPI. The index decreased to 192.50 points in February from 193.40 points in January, reflecting a contraction in consumer prices. Food inflation. Food inflation dropped significantly to 3.75% from 6.02% in January, driven by lower prices for vegetables minus 1.07% and pulses minus 0.35%. Fuel and light inflation remained in deflationary territory at minus 1.33%, while housing inflation increased slightly to 2.91%. Rural versus urban inflation. Rural inflation eased to 3.79%, down from 4.64% in January. Urban inflation moderated to 3.32% compared to 3.87% the previous month. The February CPI data highlights significant easing in retail inflation across India, particularly in food prices, contributing positively to overall economic stability. This decline reflects effective policy measures and improved supply chain conditions, offering a favorable outlook for consumer sentiment and economic growth moving forward. India's recent trade negotiation with the United States. In March 2025, India and the United States engaged in pivotal trade negotiations to address impending U.S. tariff sets to commence on April 2, 2025. These tariffs threaten to affect approximately 87% of India's 66 billion exports to the U.S. To mitigate this impact, India proposed reducing tariffs on over half of US imports valued at $23 billion. This initiative aimed to protect key sectors including pharmaceuticals and automotive industries from significant disruptions. In parallel, India announced the removal of import duties on 35 items essential for electric vehicle battery production and 28 items related to mobile phone manufacturing. This measure supports local production and enhances export competitiveness. Additionally, India proposed eliminating a 6% digital advertising tax affecting US tech companies such as Google, Meta, and Amazon. This amendment to the Finance Bill 2025, expected to take effect on April 1, 2025, aims to address US concerns and facilitate progress towards a comprehensive trade agreement. These negotiations underscore India's strategic efforts to balance national interests while fostering stronger trade relations with the United States. The proposed measures reflect a commitment to enhancing market access, reducing trade barriers, and integrating supply chains between the two nations. That's all for this month economic update. I hope you found this analysis helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.